Welcome to our admission office. We will guide you through the process for differently able applicants applying for admission, taking a computer test, and attending an interview. Upon arrival, our security personnel are always ready to welcome and assist you. Differently able applicants can use a special entrance designed for their convenience. Once inside, our friendly staff will welcome you and provide initial instructions. You will then be directed to the information desk to apply for admission. At the information desk, our staff will assist you with the admission application process and provide the necessary forms and information. Once the application process is complete, you will be directed to the test room specifically designed for the differently able individuals. During the test, our staff is available to assist with any technical or accessibility issues that may arise. After the test, our staff will guide you to the interview room. You will proceed to an interview with the head of the study program. Once you have completed your test and interview, you can approach the information desk for any final assistance before leaving the admission office. After that, you may leave the admission building. The admission office also provides accessible facilities, including toilets designed for differently able individuals and also wheelchair. Thank you for choosing Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. We are committed to providing an inclusive and supportive environment for all our applicants.